Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain on how to use AirPlay on your iPad. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watching this video. For this first step is to use AirPlay to display iPad screen on the TV. First of all, open the control center and swipe down from the upper right corner of the home screen. Tap screen mirroring. All devices available for AirPlay appear in this menu. Tap the name of the device you want to connect to your iPad. If this is the first time using the iPad with the Apple TV, you may be asked to enter a code from the TV screen to pair the devices. The iPad display appears on the TV. To turn off AirPlay, go to the control center, tap screen mirroring, then stop mirroring. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and comment below. Thank you.